What's up, guys? I just got this Starling. I can't believe the freaking damage that those BBs do. Oh my goodness. So basically, I shot it right there, and it came out right there. Oh my goodness, that's so much. Alright, now I can go dispose of this Starling. Wow, he just hit the ground like a ton of bricks. I shot him from pretty far away too. Alright, so here's where I shot him from. Just resting my gun right here. He was sitting right there. That's about 50 feet. I hit him with a BB and he just went that dead. I'll go wash my hands now.